Hey guys, Rico here from FindingUFO. I've got another interesting footage to share today. Make sure to pay attention as this UFO moves at some incredible speed. So let's take a quick look at it and we'll talk about it afterwards. Now that object was moving insanely fast. This is what I know about this footage. It was sighted a while ago on June 29, 2020, but was shared with the world on Reddit in 2023. Now the footage is only 6 seconds and was captured by a drone over Csobánka, Hungary, located in the Pilis Mountains, which is a national park. We can see this cylindrical shaped object move at some incredible speed, and the movement of the craft is truly out of this world. While at the speed and movement, the object maintains its cylindrical shape. For all those thinking it's a bug or bird, why don't we see any irregularities in the shape of the supposed stretched image due to wings flapping in turns? Genuinely, I'm curious. Also, it seems to be metallic and glistening in the sun. I've never seen a shiny metal bird before. Also, if we assume it's a drone, drones cannot maneuver that quickly or in that manner that I know of. Because let's be honest, have you seen the insanely speed of this thing? It's truly an amazing catch worth to be shared and discussed. The object is large enough that the camera can track it into the clouds, and it has an interesting flight path. The sunlight reflecting on the object appears natural to me. Plus, the dull grey metallic color is consistent with other descriptions of a typical UFO or UAP. But now I would love to hear from you guys what this object could be. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, share it with others, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. And until next time, stay safe guys, thank you for watching, and remember, keep your eyes on the skies.